back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to integrate Jira with Slack for dev teams. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So all you gotta do is simply open Jira Cloud app in Slack. You need to go to Slack app, and once you open your Slack, you need to log in into the app itself and find Jira Cloud app in the Browse app section of Slack. Once you have found this, you need to add Slack and follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the integration. Now you need to connect a Jira project to a Slack channel. In any Slack channel or direct message, type /Jira Connect and press enter. Now you need to follow the prompts that are given on screen and manage notification and settings of Jira bot. After this, you will be able to simply integrate Jira with Slack for dev teams. So you need to also remember the key features of the integration, as Jira issue previews and different kind of notification and Slack commands. So this is how you can integrate it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.